Hey everyone, friends, it's Weller here. Today, I'll show you what to do if you can't log into your Microsoft account. First, open any browser. There are two options. For a computer or browser account, use TunnelBear. Yes, it's a VPN. You can use any other VPN too. Click Windows, then Get. It's free to download. Wait, here's the download. It'll start downloading now. Wait for it to finish, then open it. Now click Install. There. After installation, just open it. Choose where you want to connect. Yeah, let's say Brazil. Once connected, try logging into your Microsoft account. It should work fine, that's all. This was Weller. Goodbye, everyone.